Welcome to Dad Built. Everybody knows this sound. You go to flip on the garbage disposal and, well, my in-laws call me with that exact problem. So today, I'm going to take you through some basic troubleshooting steps to get this garbage disposal up and running again. It's a DIY job any dad can do. Stick around. So here's the problem we're dealing with at the in-laws. Something is caught in the disposal that is making that horrible sound. So let's start fixing. The most important step is to turn the power off. Don't ever put your hand in a disposal that's plugged in. A lot of issues can be fixed with some basic steps. You can reach your hand in the disposal and feel around the edges to see if something's caught. No such luck on my in-laws issue. If your disposal is humming or the motor is not turning, it's likely that something is lodged and preventing the blades from spinning. You can use an Allen wrench to manually turn the disposal's motor to try and dislodge the clog. When a disposal motor stops with the power on, it will often trip and need to be reset. So find the reset button for a disposal underneath the unit. Press that button after you've freed the blades. While these are the first steps you should take to troubleshoot your issue, none of these worked for mine, so it's time to remove the disposal. If you're into DIY and home maintenance, please subscribe to Dad Built below. I post weekly videos with all kinds of tips on things you can tackle yourself. Start by taking off the dishwasher supply hose. Mine was held on by this pinch clamp. I used a comically large pair of pliers because that's all I had with me. Don't forget to place a bowl under your plumbing to catch any excess water. Next, you need to remove the waste pipe. I used a flathead screwdriver for this. Now that the disposal is unattached, you can remove it by twisting it off. Hold your hand underneath so you don't drop the unit once it's free. Turning the disposal upside down and giving it a good shake is what dislodged my object. Wait for it. A penny. Well, what used to be a penny. It had slid down the side of the unit, which is why I couldn't feel it when the disposal was attached. Turning the unit upside down allowed it to slide back up. I'll give the unit another shake just to make sure that's all that was in there. Reinstalling the disposal is just the reverse of our previous process. Start by twisting the disposal back onto its bracket. That metal ring on top of the unit has little curved pieces that grab onto the grooves of the sink bracket, and as you twist the ring, it's going to tighten up. Make sure to get it good and tight. Next, I'll reattach my dishwasher line with my absurdly large pliers and screw in the drain pipe. Let's test this fix. It's time to plug the disposal back in. Turn on some water and check to make sure you don't have any leaks. Now, for the moment of truth, turn on the disposal. Success! That's the sweet sound of nothing in there. Before you put your stuff back under the sink, give everything a wipe down to make sure there's no moisture left over. And we're all done. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn some simple steps for troubleshooting garbage disposal issues. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Dad Built for more DIY projects and tips like this for dads. See you next time.